In this 118th video of PTC Creo Parametric, I just want to go a little bit off from our drawing tutorial to some of very initial setting, which I believe is critical. So I thought of maybe we should cover those. And one such setting is how we make sure that whenever we work on our drawing, the format does not goes. Let's say if I implement a format here, which exists for me in this directory, and if I apply it, it is there now. And if I now save the drawing and click on view close and do erase not display, next time I open the same drawing, I see no format is there. So how we can fix this problem? In order to fix such problem, what you need to do is you need to go to file, then go to option, and in option you need to go to configuration editor, and here click on add and search for pro_format_dir, which is nothing but we are kind of specifying in PTC Creo that here are my formats, and then I am selecting my format directory where we have created format, and then let's hit OK, and then now we can click on export configuration and overwrite our existing configuration file. Now despite I implement this format and save it, and if I close it, and even if I close the entire PTC Creo Parametric and reopen it, I should be able to see that this time the format will not go waste. And there we go. So here you can see this time, despite I have made a complete restart, the format still remain there. So in this way guys, you can make sure that you are not losing format. And I know the last video was of basic drawings and I now directly jump into settings, but I think settings are also very important such that we can perfectly start working on our drawing. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If you want to follow our complete tutorial on PTC Creo from very basic, then do check out the playlist that I have added in the description of this video. Let's catch each other in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.